Everyone thought the AI race was about chips. The current data shows the deeper constraint is the machine layer that makes the most advanced chips possible. ASML sits at the center of that layer. ASML reported €8.8 billion in total net sales and €2.8 billion in net income for Q1 2026. The company also raised its full-year 2026 sales outlook to €36 billion to €40 billion. Reuters reported that ASML lifted guidance because AI and data center demand are pushing chipmakers to expand faster. That matters because demand is not the issue. Capacity is the issue. At ASML's AGM, management said the company does not expect to become the industry's bottleneck, while also saying it plans to ship 60 low-NA EUV tools in 2026 and 80 in 2027. That tells us the industry is organizing around one question: how fast can advanced lithography scale? This changes the AI story. The crowd watches chip headlines. The capital stack depends on the equipment layer that enables the most advanced chips. ASML is that equipment layer. The action is simple. Track ASML first. Watch quarterly guidance, shipping capacity, and lithography expansion before chasing the wider AI trade. That is where the bottleneck sits. That is where capital moves. Everyone thought AI was about chips. The data says it is about the machine layer behind them. Control the bottlenecks.